Give all your worries to God because He cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7. The peace of God will guard your heart and your mind in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4:7. I will lie down and sleep in peace, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Psalm 4:8.
நெஞ்சார அனைத்து முத்தங்கள்